What's up, guys? Welcome to HomeCraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can make from the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and I know it's been quite a long while since my last video. I do sincerely apologize for that. It's been a crazy month, last month and a half, just between family events, trips, getting laid off of work, starting a new job entirely. But I know you guys came here for cocktails, not excuses, so let's get right into it. Now, last month I did do an apple cider bourbon fizz cocktail for Thanksgiving. I did not release a how-to video on that, but if you want me to make a video for that, please let me know down in the comments and I can easily put that together for you guys. But that leads me into this month's video where we'll be doing the Mistletoe Margarita. So first, you're going to start off by rimming your glass with lime juice and then dipping it into sugar to provide a frosted rim for your glass. So first, you're going to take your plate here and you're going to put your sugar on that plate. And you're going to circle that around, make a nice layer for it. Then you're going to take your lime, roll it to get more juices to come out of it when we cut it. Just line your rim like so. Then you're gonna take that glass and you're gonna rim it right onto that sugar plate. Knock off any excess, and there's your nice sugar rim. And you can just set that glass to the side for now. So next you're gonna pour 2 ounces of tequila into your shaker. And today I'm using Reposado. Typically you'll wanna use Blanco as it has a more neutral flavor profile to it, but you know, use what you got. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of cranberry juice, which this will be the biggest differentiator between a regular margarita and our mistletoe margarita that we're doing today. Then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec. Next we'll do 1/2 ounce of agave syrup. We're using a tray agave. You can get this at the grocery store relatively cheap, probably about 15 bucks, definitely under $20. And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. After that, you wanna add ice to your shaker, shake for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then strain into your margarita glass. And there you have the Mistletoe Margarita. Now that we have our drink, let's give it a taste. Okay. All right, so immediate thoughts. Very good, very well balanced drink. The tartness that gets added from the cranberry juice kind of gets counterbalanced by the agave syrup. So it doesn't get too tart or too sweet. It's just, like I said, perfectly balanced. Now, aesthetically speaking, you have this nice reddish, almost like a blush color. So it looks pretty cool. And actually, also with this cocktail, you're supposedly supposed to garnish with rosemary as well as some fresh cranberries. With rosemary and cranberries, it gives that mistletoe look. So I'll most definitely be putting that or utilizing that in the pictures that we take later on. But for now, this will do just fine. We still have the sugar rim on top, you know, Christmas, snowy effect. Yeah, I mean, overall, pretty simple drink to make, tastes good, well balanced. So even if you're someone that likes sweeter drinks or someone that likes tart drinks or anything else in between, I think you'll be hard to find that you don't enjoy this drink for sure. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. Have a Merry Christmas, and if I don't see you until then, have a Happy New Year as well. I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.